Okay. Good morning, friends. Today I will discuss some important example on the relation and function. It will help you in the annual examination of 12th standard, second PUC. Okay, now of the Karnataka board. Now, in that first one is that first one show that relation or in the set A is equal to set of number x belongs to integer such that this x is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 12. Given by the relation is given by r is equal to set of ordered pair a comma b such that mod a minus b is the multiple of 4 is a multiple of 4 the multiple of 4 is an equivalence relation so that this relation what they given on the set A is an equivalence relation we have to show. We have to show equivalence relation means we have to show the three relations: reflexive, symmetric, transitive. First one is the reflexive. Here I will take an element A. For all A belongs to set A, then A comma A is belongs to R. It belongs to R. Yes, it is a belongs to R because what is the A minus C? Mod A minus A. Whatever you can take an element 2, 1, 2, 3 up to 12. This is the A minus A is 0. 0 is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4 because 0 is a multiple of all elements. That's why it is a multiple of 4. Therefore, A comma A belongs to R. Okay, A comma A belongs to R means what we can say that R is reflexive. R is reflexive. Now, next one is the second one. We have to show symmetric. What is the symmetric relation? If A comma B belongs to R, yes, it is a let. I will take one element. Now, let A comma B belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R means what is the meaning? A minus B is a multiple of 4 according to given relation. Yeah. Then A minus B multiple of 4 means, for example, 8 is a multiple of 4. Is it a minus 8 is a multiple of 4? Yes, negative of any multiple is again multiple only. That is a mod minus A minus B is a multiple of 4. Okay. Then what we can say, write that one B minus C. If you negative multiply inside, then is a multiple of 4. Yes, B minus A is a multiple of A means B comma A is belongs to R. B comma A belongs to R means what we can say that R is symmetric. Okay, R is symmetric, R is reflexive, R is symmetric. Then we have to show that R is transitive or not. Okay, now Now I will take a two ordered pair. A comma B belongs to R, and one more, B comma C belongs to R. Both are in the relation I took, two elements. A comma B belongs to R means, what is the, according to relation, A mod A minus B is a multiple of 4. Then according to this, B minus C mod C, B minus C is a multiple of 4. Okay. Then is a multiple of 4 means 8 is a multiple of 4, 16 is a multiple of 4. Both, add both. That is a 24. 24 is also multiple of 6 only. That's what A minus B plus B minus C is the multiple of 4. Okay, na? Then minus B plus B get cancelled. Then mod A minus C is a multiple of 4. It is a multiple of 4 means A comma C belongs to R. A comma C belongs to R means A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. Then A comma C belongs to R means R is transitive. You know, R is transitive. R is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Therefore, R is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Okay. Let me move on to the next one. Second one. Let F from n to n, natural number to natural number, be defined as f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. It is equal to n by 2 if n is even. F of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, is equal to n by 2 if n is even. For all n belongs to natural number, so that state whether the function f is bijective. Whether function f is bisective. Bisective means it both 1 and R2 means then it is a bisective. Okay, na? You have to state whether it is bisective or not. Let me check it. First one, I will go to the 1 1. First one is the 1 1 relation. Sorry, 1 1 function. Now, just I will take a two element f of 1. 1 is an odd, is it right? Odd means what we have to write? This one. Odd means n plus 1 by 2. That is a 1 plus 1 by 2. That is nothing but a 2 by 2. Nothing but a 1. Then I will take a 2, f of 2. 2 is an even, is it right? Even means n by 2. That is a 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Here, f of 1 is equal to f of 2. Okay, then f of 1 is equal to f of 2 means, but okay, they got it a f of 1 is equal to f of 2, but 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, what we can give the conclusion? F is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. Let me check the on. On. If, while checking the onto, we will get a two cases here. Case 1. Case 1 is that if n is odd, n is odd. Odd means what is an odd number in the form of 2r plus 1? Odd number. In codomain, I will take one of the element n, that is the odd 2r plus 1 in codomain. Then there exists 4r plus 1 in domain. There exists 4r plus in domain such that f of 4r plus 1 is equal to, okay na? If it is an odd means, how it is an odd means, n is odd means what is an n plus 1, that is an 4r plus 1 by 2, okay na? Is equal to what? 4r plus 1 by 2. That is an, what we get? 4r plus 2 by 2. If I take a 2 common, it will get cancelled to r plus 1. Again, you will get an y only. That is a 2r plus 1. Okay, now first. Next, if it is second case, case 2. If n is even, means what? How the number in the form of 2 are only even number means I will take a one of the element in the codomain. N is equal to 2 or in codomain. Then there exists 4r. Then there exists 4r in domain such that f of x is nothing but a 4r is equal to, this is then what 2r is an even. Even means how it is an even? N by 2. N by 2 nothing but a 4r by 2. That is 2 get cancelled. That becomes 2r. You know, that you got the 2r. You know, therefore, then what we can say that if it is the n is an odd, then there exists some element in the domain. If it is an n is an even, then there exists some element in the domain. For all the odd numbers also, even number also, there exists some element in the domain. Therefore, what we can say that f is an onto function. F is an onto function. F is an not a one function, but f is an onto function. If it is an, I want to say it is a bisecting means what it should be? It should be 1 also, onto also. But here only a onto function. It is not a 1. Therefore, f is not bisective. It is not bisective. Okay, na? These two examples are very important. This type 100% one example in the 3 marks question, that is whether it is a equivalence relation or not. One more, it is whether it is a 1 onto. Verify 1 and onto. Otherwise bisective. You know, on the basis of this one, 2 problems is very important. Okay. Thank you so much. Let me continue in the next video.